Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Research Hub. What if you could turn your research documents into ready-made questionnaires automatically? No manual typing, no wasting hours. Just smart AI doing the work for you. In today's video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to create professional research questionnaires in minutes. If you're a student, researcher, or content creator, this method will save you tons of time. Let's jump straight into the process. Step 1. Upload your source material. First, open NotebookLM. When you launch it, you'll see a clean dashboard interface. This is your workspace where all your research projects, called notebooks, are managed. Now, look for the Create New button and click on it. As soon as you click, a new panel will appear with multiple options. These options allow you to add different types of sources. You'll typically see Google Drive, import files directly from your drive; YouTube, add a video as a source, great for lectures or explaining something; upload document, upload PDFs, Word files, or text files from your computer; copy and paste text, paste any article or notes manually. At this stage, your goal is to add high-quality source material. For example, if you upload a well-structured PDF with headings and clear explanations, NotebookLM will understand it better and later generate more accurate and organized questions. On the other hand, if your content is messy or unstructured, the output may be confusing or incomplete. Remember, always choose reliable and structured content, like academic research papers, lecture notes with headings, well-written articles, because the AI works on a simple principle. Better input equals better output. Step 2. Understand your objective. Before you jump into generating questions, pause for a moment and define your objective clearly. This step is often ignored, but it makes a huge difference in the quality of your results. After uploading your sources in NotebookLM, don't immediately ask it to generate questions. Instead, first decide, what kind of research are you doing? For example, survey-based research? You need opinion-based, easy-to-answer questions. Academic research? You need analytical, concept-based questions. Market research? You need user behavior and decision-focused questions. Why this step matters? AI doesn't guess your goal perfectly. It follows your direction. If your objective is unclear, NotebookLM will generate generic or random questions. But if your objective is clear, it will create focused, meaningful, and relevant questions. For example, without a clear objective, what is this topic about? Explain the concept. With a clear objective, for example, user behavior study. What factors influence user behavior in this study? How do users respond to changes in the system? What patterns can be observed in user decisions? See the difference? The second set is targeted and useful for real research. How to set your objective? Simple method. Ask yourself these 3 quick questions. What is my goal? For example, collect opinions, analyze theory, understand behavior. Who is the audience? For example, students, customers, researchers. What type of answers do I need? For example, short, detailed, multiple choice. Step 3. Prompt NotebookLM. Now comes the magic. After setting your objective in NotebookLM, it's time to tell the AI exactly what you want. In the chat/input box, type a clear and detailed prompt. You can start with something like, generate a structured research questionnaire based on the uploaded documents. Include multiple sections such as demographics, core research questions, and analytical questions. This simple instruction already gives the AI a clear structure to follow. Think of prompts like instructions to a smart assistant. If your prompt is vague, output will be basic. If your prompt is clear and detailed, output will be professional and well-organized. You're not limited to one format. You can fully customize your questions depending on your research needs. For example, you can add open-ended questions for detailed, descriptive answers. For example, what are your thoughts on this topic? Multiple choice questions, MCQs, for quick and structured responses. Likert scale questions, rating-based, to measure opinions or satisfaction. For example, strongly agree to strongly disagree. If you want better results, try a more detailed prompt, like create a research questionnaire from the uploaded material. Include a demographic section, 5 multiple-choice questions, 5 Likert scale questions, 3 open-ended analytical questions. Ensure the questions are clear, relevant, and suitable for your target audience. Step 4. Organize the questionnaire. Once NotebookLM generates your questions, your job is not finished yet. AI gives you a strong draft, but to make it truly professional, you need to organize and refine it properly. Think of this step as turning raw output into a research-ready document. 1. Introduction section. Start your questionnaire with a short introduction. This should clearly explain purpose of the research, what the questionnaire is about, a brief instruction for participants. Example: this questionnaire aims to understand user behavior regarding your topic. Please answer the following questions honestly. This builds clarity and trust with your audience. 2. Demographic questions. Next, include basic background questions like age, gender, education level, occupation if needed. These questions help you categorize responses and analyze patterns later. Keep them simple and optional if sensitive. 3. Main research questions. This is the core of your questionnaire. These questions should be directly based on your uploaded content, focused on your research objective, clear and easy to understand. Example: what factors influence your decision regarding your topic? How often do you engage with subject? This generates your actual insights. 4. Opinion-based questions. Now add questions that capture feelings, opinions, and feedback. These usually include Likert scale questions, like rate from 1 to 5, feedback-based questions. Example: how satisfied are you with this experience? Do you agree with the following statement? This generates your actual insights. After organizing, remove duplicate or unclear questions. Simplify complex wording. Ensure logical flow, easy to complex. Step 5. Edit and customize. Now comes the final polishing step. After organizing your questionnaire in NotebookLM, don't just copy and paste it as it is. To make it truly effective, you need to edit and customize it for your audience. 1. Remove irrelevant questions. Sometimes AI adds extra or slightly off-topic questions. Go through your questionnaire and ask, does this question match my research goal? Is it actually useful? If not, delete it. A shorter, focused questionnaire is always better than a long, confusing one. 2. Simplify the language. AI-generated questions can sometimes sound too complex or academic. Your goal is use simple, clear words, avoid jargon, difficult terms, and make questions easy to understand at first glance. Example: what are the determining factors influencing your behavioral patterns? What factors affect your behavior? Simple questions, better responses. 3. Adjust tone for your audience. Always match your tone to your audience. Students, simple and friendly. Professionals, slightly formal. General public, very clear and neutral. If your tone is wrong, people may misunderstand questions, lose interest, give poor quality answers. Use AI again for refinement. You can even ask NotebookLM to improve your questions. Try prompts like, make these questions simpler and more user-friendly. Rewrite these questions for a general audience. Shorten and clarify these questions without changing meaning. This saves time and improves quality instantly. Before finishing, make sure questions are clear, language is simple, tone matches your audience. Only relevant questions remain. Step 6. Export and use. 4 to 4:30. Now your questionnaire is fully ready to use. After finalizing everything in NotebookLM, it's time to export and apply it in real-world use. 1. Copy your questionnaire. Simply copy the final version of your questionnaire from NotebookLM. Make sure all sections are properly formatted, questions are clearly numbered, instructions, if any, are included. 2. Paste into Google Forms. Go to Google Forms and create a new form, Add your title and description. Paste your questions section by section. Then choose the right format. Multiple choice, MCQs. Short answer, open-ended questions. Linear scale, Likert, rating questions. This turns your questionnaire into an interactive online survey. 3. Use it for different purposes. Now you can use your questionnaire for academic research, assignments, thesis, studies. Surveys, collecting opinions or feedback. Market research, understanding customers or users. What you achieved. In just a few minutes, you have uploaded research material, generated structured questions, organized and refined them, converted them into a usable format. That's a complete research questionnaire creation process done quickly and efficiently. Advanced prompting for better results? If you want higher quality, more professional questionnaires, you can go beyond basic prompts and give more specific instructions to NotebookLM. This helps the AI understand exact format, audience, and depth of your research. 1. Student survey format. Try this prompt when your audience is students. Convert this into a survey for students. Keep the language simple and make questions easy to understand. Include sections for demographics, study habits, and opinions. This produces student-friendly wording, simple structure, education-focused questions. 2. Interview-style research questions. If you want qualitative research, create interview-style research questions based on the uploaded content. Make them open-ended and suitable for face-to-face interviews. This gives you deep, descriptive questions, flexible answers, ideal for qualitative research studies. 3. Likert scale enhancement. For measuring opinions and attitudes, add Likert scale options, strongly agree to strongly disagree, to each question and format them professionally. This helps you turn statements into rating-based questions, measure behavior and opinions scientifically, make data easier to analyze. Why these prompts work better? Instead of basic outputs, these prompts give the AI clear audience targeting, defined question style, structured research format. So the result becomes more accurate, more professional, ready for real academic or research use. So that's how you can turn NotebookLM into a powerful research questionnaire generator. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.